Do you use Miro to break down epics or features into stories and then with your team start discussing, how big is the story? Should we slice it? Should we create more stories? Is it big? Is it small? What is with it? Often you then switch to a separate tool and start estimating them. Let it be in story points or in t-shirt sizes. Now you can estimate directly in Miro. I'm in Miro now. I have here 5 example user stories, and what I can do now is select the stories, and now I go to here to more apps. Here you have the point estimation. If this point is missing for you, you can go here to get more apps and activate the estimation app. Then it should be shown here. I click on it and now I have this screen. I can now say I want to create a new session, and as you see here there is now an estimation area, a frame around the sticky notes. And as you see, every sticky note which is activated is here with a blue dot marked. If you move the area, you see these 2 user stories are not included anymore. It's just these 3 stickies. You also see here 3 stickies. Let's move it over all 5. And now I can select here, do I want to use the Fibonacci numbers or t-shirt sizes? Let's use the Fibonacci numbers. I click on estimate, and now for every user on the board, there is a prompt, the estimation has started. Important, the estimations are anonymous, so nobody can see what the other person estimated. I can now say join the estimation, and now I'm directly zoomed into the first user story. I can select my estimation. Let's say, okay, this is a 5. I jump to the next one. Okay, I think this is a 8. To the next one, no clue what it is. To the 4th, it's a 1. And the 5th one, it's also a 8. Now let me shortly vote on a second user. Now the second user has voted, and now I see when I jump to the first story, okay, 2 votes for 5 story points. If you click here, you see all options and where everyone has voted. And here in the condensed view, you only see the options which received a vote. We both voted for 5 story points. I click on it and now it's a agreed estimate. You also see that here a tag with estimate 5 was added automatically. Let's jump to the second one. Here I see 8 and 13 and I know, okay, I voted for the 8 because I see here my profile picture. Important note, only I see my profile picture. The other people see only their profile picture next to their own vote. 8 and 13, we discuss about it. Okay, 13 it is. Next one, 3 and I had no clue. We discuss about it and maybe we come to say, okay, it's a 5 because it has some uncertainty. On the next one, 1 and 2, we go with my estimation. And in the last one, 5 and 8, we discuss a little bit and come to it, okay, let's take the 13 because it was really not known. When the last one is agreed, there's directly a pop-up which says, okay, in total 37 story points were estimated. You have agreed estimations for all items. End results and shared. Now everyone sees these results, and also each sticky note has the estimation as a tag. And that's how easy it is. And what do you think? Personally, I absolutely love it. Because I need to say, for me, it was all the time a hassle in the past. I had a separate page where story points estimations were possible. I took all the stories we created in Miro, transferred them to the new page. People need to switch to this page, estimate it, and then I need to transfer it back. So it was a nightmare. And now I have everything in one tool. So really, really easy. So I hope it will help you. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. And if you don't want to miss any new video from me, subscribe to the channel that you don't miss any.